welcome back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get to see great gadgets out there. As well as are going to see today's amazing variant out there is Aspire 3. Yes, Aspire 3 की बात करें, if we talk about this variant, then this is amazing version out there. As well as talking about this variant, then we can say that the manufacturer or the original company out there is a brand out there which has brought really amazing gadgets. As well as this is really exciting to see that these gadgets out here have been proven really amazing. Along with that, you also get to see that it is using Intel Core i3 6th generation processing system. So definitely an upgraded version has been launched. Intel Core की बात करें, if you talk about Intel Core, then it is a dual core processing system. Not just this, but the laptop out here is a dual core processing system. Along with that, Intel Core i3 is being used, so that is definitely an amazing part. Up to 6th generation, if we are using, then it has a really amazing functionalities, amazing, we can say, outputs out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers your clock speed of 2 gigahertz. Yes, 2 gigahertz is the clock speed offered out in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that this is offering you hyper threading technology. So hyper threading technology is being used. Inter-smart cache is used. Now talking about this cache memory, Inter-smart cache out there. What is this? This is a small, we can say, storage kind of a thing where we usually stores the destroyed files out there. We can say that. Now talking about this cache memory, Inter-smart cache memory, it offers you 3 MB inter-stored in the installed size of the cache memory. Talking about this variant, talking about Ace 3 out there or Aspire 3 out there, we can say that this variant out here is a Windows operating system. Definitely Windows operating system it is with 64-byte computerization. Along with that, you get to see that it has got an installed RAM size of 4 GB. So you get to have an installed RAM size of 4 GB. Along with that, you get to see that the maximum support size or the RAM support size, that is the random access memory out there, is 12 GB. So this is really good out here. But now since it is offering you maximum support size of 12 GB, but it has got a single slotation. So there's a single slotation out here, and if you talk about the configuration, what kind of configuration it is, then it is memory is solitarized out there. There's a single memory out there that you use. So minimum 4 GB could be minimum we can say, and maximum support size is 12 GB out there. But what kind of RAM it uses? It uses DDR4 RAM type. Yes, it uses DDR4 RAM type. DDR4 RAM type is one of the variant which we have seen in most of the gadgets. Yes, most of the laptops either use DDR4 or DDR3L. So these are the two most important variants available in the market, as well as most popular versions we can say. But RAM alone does not make any gadget worth it. Yes, अगर storage की बात करें, if we talk about the storage, then RAM is not alone out there. It actually requires we can say good amount of storage in the hard drive, because if hard drive does not have a proper storage, then it does not work properly. So talking about the hard drive storage, then we can say the Aspire 3 is there. You get to see that Aspire 3 is offering you a hard drive storage of 1 TB. Yes, 1 TB is the hard drive storage offered out. So 1 TB hard drive storage offered out in the format of HDD. That's a wonderful thing out there, because HDD format is being used. 1 TB is the installed, or we can say the capacity out there for the hard drive. Along with that, if it is a HDD type, if it is an HDD type, then we definitely know that it has a spindle speed. Talking about the spindle speed, we can say that it offers you 5400 RPM. Yes, 5400 RPM is the spindle speed. So that is definitely an amazing version out there. And when we talk about this version, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here has got really a good storage, a good screen size. Now let us talk about screen size also, because talking about this gadget, we can say अगर storage अच्छा है तो screen size definitely उसमें अच्छा होना चाहिए. Now talking about the screen size, then we can say that it offers you 39.62 centimeters screen size, that is 39.62, or we can say approximately 39.7 centimeter screen size. So 39.62 centimeter screen size is being offered in this version. Along with that, you get to see LED screen, that is the LED display out here, LED display type is there. Along with that, you get to see additional featuring in this display, that is the backlight, anti-glance, you get to see comfy view out there. अगर resolution की बात करें, display resolution, which is an important thing about every gadget, then you get to see full HD display out there. So overall, it has got a LED backlight, comfy view, HD display, anti-glance. So these are all the specifications built in it. But we know that gadgets usually work with some technology. So it has got TN technology in TFT. Along with that, a very good wide screen, we can say image aspect ratio is also good out there. So overall display, the main part out there is good. But now display has got HD resolution, everything, but how is it related? Like how we are going to see, because everything on the display is related to the graphics out there. Talking about the graphics, then we can say that it offers you Intel HD graphics, which is 520. So Intel HD graphics 520 could be seen out here. Along with that, integrated webcam, stereotype speakers, microphones are seen. Apart from that, it has got a shared video memory. So like memory allotted, or we can say the graphical part has the memory, that is the shared video memory. So you have to compromise with the graphical memory out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that Aspire 3 out here offers you a good connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB connectivity, 3 to Wi-Fi connectivity, or audio input output jack connectivity out there, power connectivity. These kind of connectivity could be seen, but you will not find any optical drive connectivity. That is the DVD write-ups connectivity, which we do not find in nowadays gadgets actually. But when we talk about this gadget, then we can say it has got a keypad. Yes, it has got a keypad offering you all the functional keys, all the major keys out there, along with arrow keys, touch bar out there. Now this touch bar is actually for the mouse control, gesture control out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it has got 8-fit tip input keyboard out there. So this keyboard is actually very interesting out there. Apart from that, let us talk about the battery life, because these are the things which we work on, but how long we can work on depends on the battery. Talking about the battery, it has got 2-cell lithium polymer battery, offering you a capacity, or the battery capacity is approximately 37 volts. So 2-cell lithium polymer battery with 37 volts, offering you a work time of 6 to 7 hours. Yes, you get to have 6 to 7 hours work time, which is really good, not bad at all. So now let us talking about the pricing. Let us visit a site which offers you great pricing for your gadgets, and we are at just at click.com, a site which offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets out there, as well as this site name itself, just at click. Yeah, the gadgets, your favorite gadgets are just a click away from you, so you can have your gadgets within a click out there. Apart from that, this site offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets out there. Along with that connectivity with your gadgets, as well as you get to see that the gadgets out here have got an option, that is customizability option. Yes, you get to see customizability option is also available out here. So that is definitely an amazing version. You get to have customizability option. You can customize your gadgets according to your needs. Along with that, you also get to see that this site out here offers your search icon, so that you can search your favorite gadget in a very limited format. Aspire 3, like we can either write the full name, or we can either write a few things. So Aspire 3 we were talking about. So this is the result out here, and as we see the results, we get to see the Ace Aspire 3 out there. with a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. So we get to see that the description box has been placed out there. Along with that, you get to see that the product condition mentioned out here is refurbished. So what are refurbished products? Let us talk about that so that we know what are refurbished brand or refurbished products actually. What are refurbished products? Refurbished products and brand new products, if we talk about these products, then we can say they are quite same products out there. They have absolutely similar structures. We can say the same design, the same functionalities. As well as when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, then we can say that refurbished products are nothing else, or the certified refurbished products are nothing else, but they are absolutely brand new like. Yes, they are absolutely brand new like products. And talking about the conditions out there, then the products are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, if you talk about the gadgets, then you can say that the gadgets are pre-owned. You get to see that the gadget has been owned once by a user out there. But when we talk about brand new, then they are directly from the company itself. You do not get to see the pre-ownization in the brand new products. Talking about the brand new products and talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the both the categories, both the gadgets out there. They are same structure, the same functionality, same design out there. As well as the refurbished products are tested and approved gadgets and how they are done. So let us quickly see that. Talking about the testing and everything, before that we come to the market out there. Like what kind of differences it offers. We already know that brand new products are absolutely new. They are directly from the company itself. Whereas refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now, what are these pre-owned gadgets? Talking about the brand new products, then they are from the company. That is the main source of the company out here, which launches that gadget into the marketplace for the users for the very first time. Now, once the gadget is launched in the market, it is released out in the market, then it has to be sold to the users out there. So it has been sold to the user. Now, user have this gadget. What happens that the gadget is not so appropriate that we don't want to use it. We want to resell it. We want to get rid of it, and we want to have another source, another gadget now. So this gadget, the pre-owned gadget out here, is resold to another marketplace. Uh, this reselling process, or we can say this whole process now, the extension of brand new, is known as refurbished process. Now this user sells it off to the marketplace to the new user. Now, in short, if you have to describe, then we can say that refurbished product is nothing else but the extension to brand new. Yes, whereas the brand new ends, the user ends out there with own of a gadget. It is launched out to another site, another place where it is again resold to another user. So this is known as refurbishness. Now, there is a difference out there. Where does the difference lies? The difference mainly lies out in the testing sites. It's not like the testing parameter differs. No, testing parameters are absolutely same. They are absolutely same. But you get to see that these gadgets out here offers you a different site for parameter on the sites for testing out there. Just like brand new, we know that brand new testing is done on various sites because there are different sites before launching it to test about that gadget. Whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, if they have to be tested, they are tested on the same site, same place where they have been sold and going to be reselling their gadgets. So this is the place where it has to be tested. Now let us move to the testing parameters because we know there is absolutely same design out here. Along with that, you also get to see that they offer you the same parameters, same functionality. So talking about the parameters, there are different testing parameters out there. Talking about these parameters, then we can say that the parameters are actually divided into two major categories, that are the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, you get to have external and internal parameters out there. Now, talking about these external parameters and internal parameters, the major difference lies out in the techniques. External parameters are directly through the eyes. We do not require any softwares or specialized tool out there. We can say that's a very quick process, like we just get through it. Whereas the internal parameters are slightly long process, like we can say it is slight time consuming as compared to external. Along with that, it requires internal components checking, it requires software, specialized softwares, it requires tools out there. So it requires a lot of things. Now let us talk about these parameters also, because parameters also plays an important role. And when we talk about the parameters, then we can say that external parameters require the external gadgets, the design out there specifically. Externally, what we see in a gadget, externally we get to see that a gadget has a good display or not, buttons are intact or not. You get to see the power jacks out there, the jack systems out there, everything. Scratches, everything related to scratches has to be checked, like display has scratch or not, whether the backside had a scratch or not, or what. Every gadget needs to check out that. Apart from that, then it has checked out the integrated webcam. The webcam is working properly or not. The touchpad is working or not. Key are working on, like all the keys on the keyboard are working properly or not. Along with that, it has to be checked that whether it's taking time for shutting down and restarting. Like these kind of things has to be checked. Like the battery has to be checked in short. So overall, you can say that all the things which can be checked out through eyes, which are not time consuming, can be called in the or categorized under the external parameters. Now talking about the internal parameters, these require the internal components. Yes, this require the internal components out here. Talking about the internal components, then we can say that the internal components are like the CPU, GPU out there, chip system, internal graphic processor out there, the storage out there, RAM, cache memory, connectivities out there, speakers inbuilt in it, microphones out there, resolution out there, the data wiping and storage out there. So everything which are the internal basic components out there, they have to be checked. And these require actually some specialized softwares. For like connectivity, we need a specialized software to check the speed and the connections out there. So every internal components require a specialized thing to check its own. That's why we say it's slightly time consuming out there. Now when every category is checked, every parameter is checked, how does it happen and what happens after that? Now, once it is checked out, it is categorized as refurbished or certified refurbished. Both are same. Both the categories remain the same: refurbished and certified refurbished. Now, what happens is when you have a certified refurbished product or a refurbished product, they have to pass every category. But if they fail in any one, then it has to be renewed. Yes, it has to be renewed out there. It has to be replaced with the original part. You have to replace that particular part with the original part from the complete field. Now, once it is done out there, what are the benefits? Like why we are talking about this gadget? Why we are talking about refurbished products? There are few benefits associated with it, along with, or we can say, because of which it is slightly preferred from brand new. Now, when we talk about the benefits, then we can say that it offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, number one is the pocket friendly rate out here. Offered here is the pocket friendly rate of the gadgets. Because brand new products offers you slightly expensive, we can say pricing. Like we can say overall brand new are slightly expensive gadgets out there. Whereas the same gadget under the condition of refurbished is quite pocketable. There is a difference in the pricing out, so you get to have a savings also. Like if you have a difference of around 100 or 200, then also you get to save a lot. So when you have a brand new and a refurbished product, there is a huge difference in the pricing, so there is a great saving associated with it. But what happens to the brand new products is that they offer you 1 year warranty period. Along with that, you get to have a exchange policy also. But does refurbished product offer you the same? We can see that refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, it offers you 7 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. So that's why we say that refurbished products offer you a great variety, a great range of uh, things out there, because warranty bhi hai, less price bhi hai, savings bhi hai. You get to have a lot of things out there. So now moving on to the site back, let us try out that site once again and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So this is the site we were talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com. Justatclick.com, naam se hi pata chal raha hai, from the name itself it is clear. Just at a click, you're just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. And when we talk about the gadgets, then we can say the gadgets out here are offered in a very good pocketable rate. You get to have a warranty period, as it already offers you 6 months warranty period is offered out here. You get to have a huge savings. You get to have great deals. Great deals means they are offering you your gadgets in a best pocketable deal. Along with that last section, like you get to have a large collection of your gadgets. Like there are n number of gadgets from reputed brands out there. Apart from that, you get to see that this site out here offers you, along with that, free home delivery. Yes, this site offers you free home delivery. It offers you money back guarantee, that is the exchange policy out here. Along with that, online support system is offered out. Apart from that, it offers you COD, like free shipping के साथ साथ COD भी मिल रही है. You get to have COD and free shipping out here. Shipping की बात करें तो it might take a difference out there. It might be differing, like if you have customized your gadget, it might take slightly longer time. Whereas usually it takes 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time for Saudi. Coming back to the site, we can say that this site, which is justatclick.com, yes, the site justatclick.com, offers you customizability option. Yes, this site offers you customizability option so that you can customize your gadget. Now, how does customization occurs? Customization occurs through RAM customization, storage, or the hard drive storage, processing out there, all the things which could be customized or have been customized by the company. जो भी options available होते हैं, they you can customize accordingly. So you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets out there, as well as you can check out whichever gadget you want to customize accordingly. Because if it is possible, then you can customize your gadget according to your needs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.